Today we are going to do Jharkhand previous year paper and of paper 2, uh, which happened in 2016. So let's deal with the 10 question, and then I'll create 10 videos for this, and every video will have 10 questions. So 10 into 10, there'll be 100 question. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is the major issue faced by the forest sector of the state of Jharkhand which in affect the climate are, the options are lack of infrastructure development, forest fire, low irrigation, and none of these. If you know, the answer will be forest fire. So if we should know where all in Jharkhand, what is the status of forest fire. So this Jharkhand map gives you the status of forest fire in Jharkhand. So you can see Paschim Singhbhum has maximum number of forest fire. So if in the next exam, if they ask which district has maximum number of forest fire, the answer could be Paschim Singhbhum. Correct? So let's move to the next slide. Okay, the question is in state of Jharkhand, the forest categorized as reserve forest, and the options they have given is this. So the answer will be prohibit all activity unless permitted. So you should know in reserve forest, all the activities are not permitted. Any activity are not permitted. Uh, so we need to understand reserve difference between reserve forest and other forests. So we'll see this. Look, reserve forest, there is no activity allowed. कुछ भी allow नहीं होता है. And no activity is allowed. But under special circumstance, if you have permission, you can do some of the research work and all. Okay. And about 53% of total forest fall under this category. India में if the out of 100 53% of the forest comes under reserve category. Okay, and the second category known as protected forest. Okay, the protected forest is about, it's also looked after by government of India, but local people are allowed to collect fuel, इससे fuel ले सकते हैं, wood, timber, and to graze their animal without causing serious damage of the forest. So grazing is allowed, but it should not damage the forest. And India, if you see, about 29% of the forest in India is protected forest, and other type of forest is unprotected forest. There is no restriction. You can do anything in this area, and about 18% of in India. In India, about 18% of the total forest is unprotected forest. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay, this question is very good. So the question is how many different climatic regions are present in state of Jharkhand as per NIDM report. So if you see the options they have given is 4, 3, 5 and 1. And if you are seeing this map, you can easily guess there are 3. One is Western Plateau subzone, then Central and Northern Eastern Plateau and Southeastern Plateau subzone. So the answer will be 3. We'll deal this when I'll do climate of Jharkhand in separate video. Okay, and if you should also know in Bihar also there are 3 regions. So let's move to the next slide. Okay. Okay, it says Jharkhand State Disaster Management Authority has been constituted in which year? This is a very tricky question. I mean, if you have knowledge of, if you have read about Jharkhand State Disaster Management Authority, you will know the answer. I was searching it over net, and I have not got a proper answer in Jharkhand State Disaster Management Authority. But the answer for this will be 2009. So you should know that Jharkhand State Disaster Management Authority was established in 2009. ठीक है, 2009 में establish हुआ. Okay, let's move to the next question. District Disaster Management Authority, that is DDMA, is headed by whom? So the DDMA, District Disaster Management Authority, is actually headed by District Magistrate or District Collector. So I'll give you the data. An ideal team of district disaster management consists of district magistrate and district collector. So answer will be both, C, right? If you see, the answer will be any of them in this case, okay? And and there are many other member. If you want to go through this, you can go through, but the answer for this question will be both district magistrate as well as district collector. So let's move to the next slide. Among the freedom fighter of Jharkhand, who was the first Sahid, who was the first Sahid? And the options are Birsa Munda, Telangan Kharia, Tilka Manji, and Shiddu Kanu. Look, all are Sahid. It's not like any one of them are not Sahid. But what will be the answer? I'll give you the timeline for every Sahid, and you'll come to know the answer. So look, Birsa Munda, he died in 9 June 1990. 1900, short 1998, 1900. Telangana Khadia died in 1880. Tilka Manjhi 1785 and Sidhu Kanu 1855. So the obviously answer will be Tilka Manjhi. Okay. So let's move to the next question. To whom the first Paramveer Chakra was awarded in Jharkhand? This is a very easy question actually. But suppose if you don't know the answer, then how you can guess it? Paramveer Chakra obviously you will get after 1947. I mean, whenever they constituted, but Paramveer Chakra, but the Paramveer Chakra you will not get before independence. Anyone can't get Paramveer Chakra before independence. So obviously you can remove Birsa Munda. So obviously you can remove Tilka Manjhi, and obviously you can remove Jatra Arun because they were before independence guy. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer will be Albert Ekka. Albert Ekka will be the answer, and he is the Albert Ekka. And this is important question, and there is also a chalk in Albert Ekka in Ranchi. Albert Ekka chalk. Those who live in Ranchi, they know. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Freedom fighter Proto Sardar. He was from which clan of Adivasi? So the answer will be Munda. In this case, the answer you should know this. Proto Sardar and all will deal with all the famous personality of Jharkhand in a separate video. Okay, so you should know we are supposed to study famous personality of Jharkhand also. Okay, next question. Who is known as Marang Gomika? So okay, the Marang Gomika, Birsa Munda is not the answer. You can easily guess it even in exam. Sibu Soran is not an answer. KS Singh is not an answer. Is Jaipal Singh, and it's very famous question. So I believe that this question they can repeat it. So Jaipal Singh, we should know about him. He's a politician, prolific writer, and sportsman. And we should also know he was the member of Constituent Assembly. He was the member of Constituent Assembly from Jharkhand. At that time, it was not Jharkhand, and he talked about Jharkhand in the Constituent Assembly also. And on the new constitution, okay, he captained, this is very important, the Indian field hockey team to clinch gold in 1928 Summer Olympic in Amsterdam. This question could be a very important question. So remember this 3 point. And we'll talk about this Jaipal Singh in a separate video when I'll do the famous personality of Jharkhand. Who was the president of Chota Nagpur Samyukt Sangh of 1954? Again, a tough question actually, because it's very tough to know facts and figure, but still you should know this. The answer is Sukhdev Mehto. And that's it, guys. And we'll talk about a next set of question in the next video. I'm creating a small snippet of video so that you don't feel bored. And I want you to share this video, and I'm also available in Unacademy, which the link I'll share in next to next video. So enjoy. Bye bye.